In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build mobile apps without coding using AppyPie. Whether you're a novice or someone looking to expand their skills, this tutorial will guide you through creating a mobile application without any need for coding background. Let's dive into the process, starting with accessing the AppyPie website. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the search engine to look for AppyPie. Once you've found it, navigate to their homepage. Now that you've reached the homepage, the next step is to click on the App Builder option. This is usually visible on the homepage, and clicking it will direct you to the app building platform. Here, you'll want to look for and click on the Create Your App button. This will take you to the next stage of the process where the magic begins. You'll start by entering the name of your business or the idea for your app in the provided field. This name is significant as it acts like your app's ID in the vast world of apps. After typing in the name, just click Next to proceed to the following step. Now it's time to choose the category that best fits your business or app idea. AppyPie offers a variety of categories, enabling you to find one that accurately represents your project. Once you've selected the appropriate category, you'll want to move on to choosing a color scheme that matches your brand or personal preference. The platform offers numerous preset schemes, or you can customize your own to ensure your app looks unique and attractive. With your color scheme picked, it's time to select your test device. This is the environment where you can preview how your app will look and function on different devices, which is crucial for creating a great user experience. At this point, to continue building, you'll need to select a plan and click Upgrade Now. Don't worry if this sounds technical, it simply allows you to access more features and support. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll land on the App Manager dashboard. This is your main hub for app creation, and it's where the magic happens. Click on Edit Mobile App to start customizing your content. Default pages like Home and Contact are already loaded, but feel free to tweak them as you need. Additionally, you can add new features such as social feeds, audio, video, and more from the list provided. It's a creative playground, so experiment with what best suits your app's needs. After making these edits, go ahead and click on App Manager, which allows you to adjust design elements and system pages like the splash screen and navigation layout. Make sure to click Save frequently to ensure all your hard work is preserved. After saving, you can test your app by scanning the QR code provided, which allows for real-time testing on a physical device. Once you're satisfied with your app, it's time to publish. Simply click on Publish Now to release your creation into the app stores for the world to see. Congratulations, you've just built a mobile app without writing a single line of code.